this figure we are discussing about derivation of the Miller formula. What is derivation of the Miller formula? So first of all, we have taken a concave mirror M1 M2 and the object is placed in front of the mirror. That object is AB. The image formed by this mirror, like this, a parallel image passes or a stripe on the mirror at the point A, which passes through the focus, and another incident ray of light which passes through the optical center of curvature, which will returns back on the same path, and thus the image is formed A dash B dash at point this B dash. So since the reflected ray intersect each other, therefore the image formed by this concave mirror is real. And since this is in downward direction, so it is a inverted image. F is the focus, P is the pole, and C is for center of curvature. Now we know that the distance from all distances are measured from the pole of the mirror, and therefore the distance from pole to the object is taken numerically U, and the distance from pole to image is V in numerical form. Now the distance from P to F is F, small f, focal length. So this is about the figure. Now we have taken the two triangles A, B, C and A dash, B dash, C. In these two triangles, this angle is equal to this angle because they are the vertically opposite angle, and AB is perpendicular to the principal axis, and similarly A dash B dash is also perpendicular to the principal axis. Therefore this angle and this angle A, B, C and B dash C both are 90 degree, and ACB, ACB and A dash C, B dash both are the opposite angles. Now these two triangles ABC and triangle A dash B dash C, ABC and A dash B dash C are similar by the AA similarity, and we know that the similar triangle, the ratio of the sides in the similar triangle are same ratio, are in the same ratio. Therefore the ratio of the side AB upon A dash B dash equal to BC upon B dash C dash. This is equation first. Similarly, we can show A dash B dash F and MBF are similar because these two angles are vertically opposite. This is 90 degree and this is also 90 degree. So they are also similar to each other. Now in these two similar triangles, A dash B dash upon MB equal to B dash F and here is DF. In this equation first we see that A dash B dash is in denominator, while in this equation A dash B dash is in the numerator. To equating these two equations, we can take here reciprocal of these two terms. That means MB upon A dash B dash and this side DF upon B dash F. MB, from figure we see that MB is equal to AB. MB is equal to AB. So we can write here MB equal to AB. Up and this is A dash B dash and this is DF upon E dash F. This is equation second. Now we see that the left side of the equation first is equal to the left side of the equation second. Both are same. Therefore, we can equate right side of these two relations, and we get here BC upon B dash C equal to DF upon B dash F. This is equation third. Now, all these four terms we can write here in the terms of U, V, R and F. How can it possible? Look the figure. BC. This is the distance BC. And BC can be written as PB minus PC. PB minus PC. And we know that PB is equal to U. With the sign convention of the mirror, this can be written as minus U and minus PC. PC is called radius of curvature of the mirror. So this will be equal to minus R by the sign convention of the mirror. And solving these two terms, we get R minus U. This will equal to BC. Similarly, B dash C. B dash C. This can be written as PC minus PB dash, and PC is equal to minus R because this is the radius of curvature. So this can be written as minus R minus PB dash. PB dash is the distance of the image. So it will be written as minus U. And finally we get V minus R. So B dash equal to V minus R. Similarly, B dash F can be written as PB dash minus PF. And this will equal to F minus V. Now, this is the distance DF. But DF is any known quantity, and we know that when the curvature of the mirror is very small, then D point will lie near the point P. So we can take the distance DF equal to PF, and we know that PF is the focal length of the mirror, and which will equal to minus F. Now putting all these values in equation third, we get at the place of BC we can write R minus U. At the place of B dash C we put V minus R, and at the place of BS minus F, and B dash F. B dash F equal to F minus P. Now we will solve these relations to get the mirror formula. Now this is U, this is V and this is F. And the relation between U, V and F is called mirror formula. So there is no need of R in this relation. Therefore, we know that since F equal to R by 2, therefore R will be equal to R equal to 2F. That is radius of curvature equal to double the focal length. We have 2 times of the focal length. So putting the value R equal to 2F in that relation, R equal to 2F minus U divided by V minus 2F equal to minus F divided by F minus V. F minus V. Now by cross multiplication we get minus F multiplied by V minus F V minus 2F equal to F minus V into 2f minus u. This will equal to minus fv minus minus plus 2f square, and this will equal to 2f square. F multiplied by minus u, then it will become minus fu here. When minus v is multiplied by 2f, then it will come 2fv or here. Minus v multiplied by minus u, then it will come u into v. We see that this is the 2f square and this is also 2f square. This will cancel. Now we also see that here is the minus fv and here is plus 2fv. Minus 2fv. So what will happen? Taking the terms, these two terms on the left side. Minus fv minus minus plus fu plus 2fv equal to u into v. This is 2fv and this is minus fv. So on solving we will get only fv plus fu equal to u into v. Now dividing by whole equation by uvf. इसको किससे डिवाइड करना है? uvf से डिवाइड करना है by dividing uvf in both sides. दोनों साइड में हम लोग uvf से डिवाइड करेंगे. क्या आएगा? fv divided by uvf plus fu divided by uvf equal to uv divided by uvf. Then what happens? This will cancel out. fu will cancel that by this, and fv. So we get here 1 by u from this term, 1 by u plus 1 by v equal to 1 by f. And this is called Miller formula. This is called Miller formula. Or 1 by f equal to 1 by u plus 1 by v. This is called Miller formula.